Good night. English Big One planning the trip. Present Carolizet Gonzalez Castellanos Cluster 1242 Teacher Adriana Carolina Lopez. Introduction of the place. It is located in the southwest of the country, in the Indian region bordering Tolima and Cundinamarca to the north, Meta to the east, Caquetá to the south, and Cauca to the west, where you will find a cold climate. San Agustin was the monumental living sculpture. More than 300 statues have been found, most of them in an area that appears fully delimited by the icons of Magdalena, Staff, Mazamorra, and Sombrilleros River, and the peaks of the Colombian Massif. The best way to get to know each place and space of this beautiful place it is walking, so you can enjoy each beautiful landscape, enjoying clean air and a safe place for the family. Now, duration of the trip. This trip lasts 3 days and 2 nights. The first day, go to the stage of Magdalena, enjoy a swim in the river with your family. The second day, take a tour of the town where you will find colonial houses full of history. On the third day, you can visit and learn about the archaeological park of San Agustin. Means of transportation. Yes. To get to this magical place of to get to this magical place, you must first reach the town of San Agustin, and from there you can enjoy the tour 8 car on horseback, on a bicycle, or on foot, which would be the most recommended. Enjoy the trip with great tranquility. Activities to do. The first day you can walk to the Magdalena River straight that is on the outskirts of town. You can set up your camp and enjoy the scenery, swim and spend the day with family or friends. On the second day, you can take a tour of the town of San Agustin, enjoy its Colombia, houses the history of the magical place along with its culture and gastronomy. Of the third day, you can enjoy the archaeological park of San Agustin snows and has an ancestral history. It is recommended to wear comfortable shoes and clothes, water, and a space to stay inside and outside the town. There are hotels for camping or making use of the rooms to be with the family and thus be more comfortable and affordable price. Typical foods. You can enjoy Williams gastronomy, in which you can find achiras, biscuits, masato Williams rats, pork, kushes broth. Cost. It has a cost of 300,000 Colombian pesos. Thank you so much.